guys, welcome to my channel here with me. For those of you here, karibuni sana. For those of you here before, welcome. So my name is Fiona, but you can call me Fee. And in today's video, I want to cook up a delicious mutton stew with baked potatoes, carrots, and zucchinis that we planted ourselves and that we have begun harvesting. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learn a thing or two, and if you have any other recipes that you'd like to share with these same ingredients that I will use, please do so in the comments down below, and happy watching and God bless. So guys, this is my lamb bought from the butcher. Actually, this was slaughtered over the weekend, and this is what was left of the little sheep. So anyway, this is my meat. I will put it in this sufuria #cooking pot and put it on the fire so that you can start cooking. This is what it looks like. And guys, I don't like handling meat. Meat is just so disgusting, so I like for the butcher man to cut for me pieces, this nyama into pieces. So yeah, let me place this on the fire and we get to the rest of the cooking. It's now on the fire and the heat is at its lowest. So I will cover this sufuria and it will cook for the next probably 30 minutes. Just like this, no salt, no oil, no spices, nothing, just this when it's covered. So guys, these are my few ingredients for my meat: 2 onions, 1 green capsicum, 3 tomatoes. They're quite small, but 3 will be sufficient. This much ginger and a couple of cloves of garlic. So I will get to boiling these 3 tomatoes, and then I will blend the entire. mutton looks like this. It's cooked until all its water has evaporated. So I'll just turn the fire off, and then I let it cool just a bit. Although this it's not necessary, but because I still need to do other things here, like peel the potatoes, I'll just turn the fire off.